Anything what she say, she dey blow my mind. She say, baby boy, don't waste no time. I know be materialistic, girl. Just continue to rock my world, oh baby, all for you. I go there.
Alright, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, my name is Kelechi mgbemena, just in case you are seeing me for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be creating this snatched look right here, and this is like one of my favorite on the go look. I usually do this with my human hair extensions, but I decided to switch it up today and use synthetic hair, but colored synthetic hair. That way it gives me that pop when I take pictures. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys are interested, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Actually, this hair look alone, so yeah, definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is how we are starting off. Whew. Alright guys, so just went ahead to just brush my hair through, and I'm just going to pack my hair in a bun. And usually I love it when it is really high.
Alright, so I'm just going to push all of that extension back just so I could have a feel and see what it looks like. Now this part is really important. It's actually the most important part of this tutorial. I'm going to be taking a strand of hair and that much, and I'm going to be using that to wrap around both my hair as well as the extension. So I'm using this not only to cover the hair behind, but to kind of make this pony stand a lot better and to give it that extra, support that it would need, as well as to make it look a little more stylish. So I'm just going to keep wrapping that, and we're going to be wrapping the extensions as well as the hair, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now it's very important to make sure that the hair you're using to wrap is as sleek as possible, so you get like a really sleek, smooth, clean finish. And guys, I'm just going to fix it up, arrange it, and yeah, this is what we have.
This is kind of what it looks like, and I mean, if you're doing this, you definitely want to take your time and make sure that you brush out the extensions before you attach it to your hair, because yeah, it's not looking as neat as I definitely know it can, but at the same time it's still not bad. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead to just do my makeup off camera and then come back to you guys. Alright girls, so I went off camera to do my makeup, and this is what we have here, and this is the complete look, guys. You could definitely style this hair however you like. I'm thinking of putting like 2 braids here and then adding beads, so I'll probably use that for like a different tutorial. You could definitely wrap this up in a bun, or you can leave it like this. Just feel free to do whatever you want to do. You could definitely switch up the extension color. Make sure you comb out the extensions properly before you attach it to your hair. That way it's not as, yeah, I have used this before, and that is why I didn't bother like getting it all perfect and all of that. So yeah, this is what we have here, and I actually love it. It looks really good. Sorry about that. It looks really good on camera. And guys, I hope this was quite helpful. You can use this for, you could try this with your actual human hair extension as opposed to this synthetic hair extension. But I love synthetic hair for this kind of thing because it makes it look a lot more voluminous. Basically, it adds more volume to it. So yeah, this is what we have here. Okay guys, all right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be doing more extensions and more affordable hairstyles. Definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys